The PetSafe Pagoda Water Fountain is a stylish and functional ceramic water fountain designed to keep your pets hydrated and healthy. Featuring dual water streams, this fountain not only encourages pets to drink more, but also helps in oxygenating and keeping the water fresh. Its open bowl design ensures that your pet has access to water from any side, even during power outages, adding to its reliability. The fountain includes a replaceable carbon filter to maintain fresh water, while a foam filter captures pet hair and debris, promoting cleanliness. The elevated design of the fountain is particularly beneficial for senior pets, allowing them to drink comfortably without bending too low. Easy to clean, the ceramic fountain is dishwasher-safe, ensuring that maintaining it is as convenient as it is effective.